What is rigid versus flexible constitution? But before to differentiate these two types of constitutions, let me explain this term constitution. Constitution is the supreme law of the land of any state, and it is a living document because it can be changed and it can be amended as per the need of the hour. So how can we differentiate these two types of constitutions from each other? A rigid constitution can't be amended easily. It can't be amended by adopting a simple and ordinary process of legislation. Rather, the procedure to amend the constitution is very complex, expensive, cumbersome, and time consuming. But on the other hand, a flexible constitution can be easily amended. It can be amended by using ordinary process of legislation. And the second important difference is that rigid constitution generally requires at least two-thirds majority of the parliament, but flexible constitution can only be amended through a simple majority. US Constitution is a classic example of a rigid constitution because since its enactment, it has been amended successfully only for 27 times. But there have been more than 11,000 proposals. Why those proposals could not be incorporated successfully? Due to complex amendment procedure. So, a flexible constitution is completely opposite to rigid constitution because a flexible constitution can be amended easily by adopting a simple majority. Only a simple majority of the parliament is needed to amend that constitution. And in this regard, UK's constitution is the best example because UK's parliament is competent to amend the constitution by using ordinary process of legislation. So that was all about rigid versus flexible constitution. What do you need to remember? That rigid constitution can't be amended easily, and the amendment procedure is generally very complex, very complicated, and it needs at least two-thirds majority. While in its opposite, flexible constitution, as its name is telling, its name shows that there is a flexible method to amend the constitution. So when there is a flexible method to amend the constitution and there is an easy method to amend the constitution and only a simple majority is required to amend the constitution, we can say that this constitution is flexible. And when the amendment procedure is very cumbersome, it is very complex, very complicated, and it needs time, it needs a lot of time. So it means there is a rigid constitution. And two best examples you people need to remember in this context. In the context of rigid constitution, you may quote US constitution, and in the context of flexible constitution, you may quote UK's constitution. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.